everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms of herlovelyplan, and I am here with an updated HOBONICHI setup video. Yes, I'm only 30 days in and I've already outgrown my previous cover, and I've absolutely fallen head over heels in love with the HOBONICHI. It's beauty, like everything about it. I love it. So because I grew out of it so fast, and y'all know how I like a chunky planner, my HOBONICHI is no different. So if you want to see how my HOBONICHI turned into a chunkanichi, keep watching. All right, so my first cover that I had was from Shop LCA, in which this is actually the bow that came along with the cover. Well, it didn't come with it, it was an add-on. I had the cover, the bow, the tassel, the pin loop holder. I had all of it, and I might still use the pin loop holder. I don't know. I mean, not the pin loop, the pin holder. But I thought that this bow would go perfectly because it had some pink in there, and I just loved everything about the cover. But because I outgrew it, I had to get something that was a little bit bigger, and that was going to work for the direction that I was going with this planner. So speaking of this beautiful planner cover, this is actually a HOBONICHI Weeks faux leather vinyl wallet cover, and I got this cover off of Etsy at a shop by the name of BLISS Bag Boutique. You guys, I don't know if you're anything like me, but I am a Google searcher, and because I am a Google searcher, my search fingers has explored the search engine on Etsy. So I legit look up everything in the search box on Etsy, and 9 times out of 10 I'm always finding what I'm looking for and what I shouldn't be, and it always gets me in trouble. But anyway, so I found this awesome cover, and I always read the reviews, especially if it's a shop I've never heard of or no one's recommended it. Highly recommend it. Went and followed some of the planner babes that bought this cover, and all of them absolutely loved it. So I figured, you know, why not me? Why not me? So I got this cover, and she is awesome. So let's go ahead and open her up. All right, because it's already set up, I'm not going to deconstruct it to show you, but I will talk you through everything that it has. So the front and the back, they both, well, how about I go like this? So this is how the front and of course the back looks. You have this sleeve where you can slide your planners in or double it as storage. Then you have this square pocket here that you can use as storage or to decorate your planner cover, in which I did do on the front side. And all I did was add some things that I already had and a few new things. This name tag actually comes as a freebie anytime you order from KAIDENS Mom Shop, and I thought this would be perfect to go along with the color pattern that I had in here. And then this girl I had in my previous HOBONICHI cover, and she comes from Shop LCA. I have this beautiful Simply Gilded washi card that I ordered to use, but it's too pretty to use. And I got this from So Washi. And then this little doily, I don't know where that came from, but I thought it was so cute, I figured I'd add that into my planner. And then tucked away in one of the sleeves, I have one of my sticker storage covers that came from ANN LAZ, and I just keep typically whatever monthly kit that I use, I keep the extra stickers in here along with some date covers, just in case, you know, I'm planning on the go and I need some date covers. And these this one and this one is a printable from Digital Dash. I got this probably March or April, because I no longer have the subscription, but she does have the Hobonichi dashboards that you can print. So I print those off, and I created my own dashboard cover. And what you know, I always make pockets anytime I make a dashboard cover, because I gotta have somewhere to put my cute stuff. So this is another name tag that came from another order that I got from KAIDENS Mom Shop, along with some die cut freebies that came along with my COFFEE MONSTERZ CO order. And I seen one of my I call her my planner boo, but she's Planet Rock on YouTube, but on Instagram she is Planner Snop, I believe. But she has some inserts that she got from with Annie. Let me see if it's on the back. No, Annie Plans Printables. Sorry, I never printed from her before, so I didn't know that she even had Hobonichi inserts. So all I did was use this Hello June sticker that came from Planning City, and I printed these inserts. I'm gonna just show you. So what I'm using this is more as like my daily section, because the Hobonichi section is kind of small. I still wanted to be able to write out some more things, like if I needed to write more notes. So I figured this would be a perfect add-on, because this cover does have 2 strings. So this is my first insert that I have in here. Then the second one, this is actually another cover that I made. I just took some acetate and stuck it inside the laminate pocket, and then I made a pocket, and then I put a pocket on top of the pocket. And these little pockets right here came from rose colored daze. I have some bigger ones, but I thought these would be super cute inside my Hobonichi. So this is a cover that I made, and I just put my first initial here, and I just kind of tacked down this die cut that came from Shop LCA. And this doll is Chloe. This is the signature doll of Shop LCA. And all I did was just kind of keep some little post-it notes that I cut in half. This came off of one of the Happy Planner accessory packs. And then I just have one of these little freebie stickers from COFFEE MONSTERZ CO. Because you never know when you want to just pull out a little sticker. And it fits so perfectly in. So this is another little insert that I made. I'm just kind of listing some of my favorite Hobonichi shops, in which I do need to update that. And then this is just where I keep my PR codes. And then I just kind of track any of my orders on this as well, so I know whether or not I want to shop back with those shops as well. And this is just lined paper that I downloaded and just cut down to size. And this is another one of the little sticker dividers, whatever you want to call them. And it came in a set of 3 from ANN LAZ. And then on the back, this is still the dashboard that I made, and I have a pocket here, and then I put my name flag here. And I don't know what shop this came with, but this was a freebie. And then I just took some cardstock paper and tacked down this cute little die cut that came from Shop LCA. And then I have my last name initial right there. And so this, oh my gosh, look at this. So this is my cover that I made for my Hobonichi. It is made out of the polka dot, the silver gold polka dot is actual laminate that I put inside of not laminate, it's acetate that I put inside of a laminate pouch and ran it through. And I only ran it through because I just wanted it a little thicker, as you can hear. So that's the only reason I did it like that. But on top, I have this super cute decal, and it just says Messy Bun Getting Stuff Done. And this is like a hollow silver. And I believe she comes in like a gold as well. But I got this from Dreamy Paper Bliss. So cute. I got the stickers too. I can't wait to use those. So all I did kind of take some stuff out of the inside of my planner. Because now that I have my sticker storage dividers, I just stick stuff inside of those. So I have the picture of me, the hubs, and my bonus son. And again, another one of these sticky notes that was from like one of the accessory packs. And it actually it was a part of this. I just cut it in half and stuck it in here. And this is the gold bows, and again it's a little small pocket from Rose Colored Daze. And these are just some small little foiled icons and scripts that came from the Scribble Prints Co mystery pack. And then I just have another one of these pockets, and this pocket actually right here, it came in the Traveler's Notebook set where you get the zip pouch, the secretarial style pockets, you get the wallet pocket, and then you get these. So I just set these set in here because it fits perfectly. And this was a pocket card that came from Villa Beautiful's, was it May? Yeah, her May subscription box. And then this is just a little bow. You already know where that's from, Simply Gilded. And let's see what else. Oh, and then I ordered this. It actually comes, as you can see, I tacked this down. It doesn't come with this on here. It's just a clear window, and it says this week, and this came from Kaden's Mom Shop as well, and I absolutely loved it. But you know, I had to put a little twist on there, so I decided to add this die cut that came from Shop LCA onto the front of this, and it's supposed to technically just stay clear so you can get a clear view of this week, but I just wanted this more so for a divider, because this only comes with the two ribbons to divide, and I'm using all three sections, my months, my weeks, and the notes section, where I'm going to start putting my budget information. And then on the back is another pocket, and this is a cute little die cut that I laminated from the Honeybee shop, and I just put her here because she's cute and tatted up like me. And then this was a die cut also that I laminated from Miss Moss. Since I'm a hairstylist, I thought since my Hobonichi is my fun on the go planner, why not make it fun by adding some fun die cuts in there. And this is the third divider sticker storage thingy. I don't even know what the correct terminology is for this, but I also store just some extra stickers that I was storing inside my Hobonichi, but I decided, because I didn't want this to be so chunky, I would just put those in here. And I just got some arrows from Elaine Michelle Studios, some stickers from Stickers by Rhonda. I don't know where these box ones came from. Yeah, because I had to cut some of my stickers because they didn't fit. I don't know what I want to put right here. I may or may not put anything because it's in the back. I do need to put like a little pin loop here, and I had one in my other planner, but I don't know where it is. So this is my new setup in my Hobonichi faux leather wallet, and I absolutely love it. She is chunky, she is cute, she is everything to me. So if you all are interested in any of these items, the cover, the bow, and any of the things inside, I will leave the names to the shops in the description box, and as well I will indicate the ones that I do have PR codes for, so you can get an additional discount when you shop. So I hope you like my new setup in my chunky Nichi. And let me know what you think. She's so cute. Anyway, I'm in love. Okay, you guys, so this is it. If you enjoyed it, give me a big thumbs up. As well, drop me a comment below. Like I said, let me know what you're thinking about my new cover and all the stuff that I've done to it. That's it, you guys. So make sure, if you haven't already done so, that you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you never miss a video, and my Sunday live streams, because they are coming back. Trust me, they are. I just needed some me time, and I needed to get remotivated and all of that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell. And as well, if you enjoyed this video and you have any Hobonichi friends that are looking for some fun things, new covers and new ideas for their Hobonichi, make sure you share this video with them so they can be inspired to create their own lovely Hobonichi. Until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.